Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password on your NVIDIA account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type nvidia.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of NVIDIA. You can scroll down and look at all the facilities provided, but right now simply sign up to your account. Right here in the top right, there's a profile-like icon, simply hover over it, and then you will be provided two options. Simply click on NVIDIA account. Log in if you already have not. Well guys, as you can see, I have successfully logged into my account and I want to change my password. Now let's try to change our password. Let's scroll down. You will find something like security. Right here it's giving you two options, that is log out and update. Simply click on the update button right here. It's gonna redirect you to the security page. Right here at the very top, you will be given an option called as change password. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna ask you to enter your current password and your new password. Simply enter your current password right here. I'm gonna enter my new password and again re-enter it right here. Now that everything is okay, simply hit on the save button right here and then your password will be updated. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change your password on your NVIDIA account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.